everyone, welcome. We are going to dye our Easter eggs today. We're going to do 2 different methods. So I did a little bit of a cheat this time. I bought these Easter egg. They're like, you want to show them?
They're like very plasticky, but
they're like kind of chalky a little bit. But I bought these because otherwise we have about 20 or 30 hard-boiled eggs and nobody eats them. So we decided
they taste
to go this
gross.
way. But this kit comes with like the 12 eggs and
dye.
then comes with dye, but we're not using
Purple,
the dye.
Pink, green. I think
for
that
our
might
method.
Be blue.
So both methods they have to soak in vinegar. So we have all of our eggs. One did not make it, so we have not by the company, but by my child. And a couple of them are a little dented, but it's okay. Put it back.
Shocking.
So we have 36 eggs in a bowl. And we are just adding...
What is the vinegar for?
It makes the dye stick to them better. Good thing vinegar.
Can I drink that?
I wouldn't drink it. It's not really a thing I'd recommend for drinking. There we go.
Yeah, but Mom, if you were on a deserted island, would you drink that?
If I was on a deserted island and there was nothing else to eat, I mean, I guess I'd have to eat vinegar. But put it in. But, I mean, it's not like my first choice to drink distilled white vinegar.
But
okay,
honestly, I would use I would have like this care pack on me somewhere, and I would use like the ocean water. I would use like water cleaner. Smart idea.
Okay. All right, so they're going to soak for a little bit. All right, our first method for doing eggs is we're going to dump some whipped topping.
I did not say I wanted to do it.
Well, you're holding it, so I'll scoop it out. Here, I'll scoop it out, and then you're going to spread it. So we're going to scoop. I bought how big is this container, Jay? 16 ounce.
Oh, I was looking at the net worth.
That's called net weight. Is 16 ounces.
Oh, I thought it was called net worth.
No, net weight. All right. You know what? Here, see if you can get the rest of it out. Scoop it all out. Plop it on there. Well, you don't have to smack it down because it's going to spread. I'm going to just put that right in a cookie sheet. All right, here. All right. There we go. I think that's good. Okay, put that up in the sink. That's good. Okay, and then we just take this.
Be spread.
All right, go put it up.
Hey, I wanted it.
All right, I'm just starting it a little bit. Okay, spread it all out. Okay, so you're going to spread that out. Okay, next what we do is we're just going to take the dye. We're just going to do dots all over.
I want to help.
Okay, so there's some red. Get your other colors and just dot all the way around. Well, you have to be careful, baby, so you don't get it all over the stuff. Just dots, 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 dots. Okay, don't go crazy because we need that for another thing, so don't waste it all because we need that for another. That's enough. We do need that for another.
Now I need to grab green.
Green. Don't go crazy because remember we need. Okay, and now
We go to blue.
So put this over here. Okay. And then the blue.
It looks like colors from the 60s.
I guess.
Okay.
Can you get it? Without dyeing your fingers? There we go. Okay.
Oh, it did.
It's fine. A little bit of blue. Don't
It looks like black.
Okay. So that's
This
enough.
looks like the color of Sasuke's
All right.
hair.
Oh my goodness. All right. And now what we do is we just take, okay, close it
I
up.
think you're supposed to use a toothpick.
It's fine. We're using it. We'll survive.
I
Okay.
want to try.
And we do that. Just swirl it up. It's fine.
I want to swirl it.
Now we take one egg. Or egg. Stop. And you just kind of, this is going to get messy. You know what? Do me a favor. Go in my room. Get gloves.
Okay.
And stop doing that because I just told you not to. And then you just put, go get gloves. Get gloves for everybody.
I want
Okay, so I brought gloves, so it's not as messy. So then
I brought the gloves.
Yes, Jossie brought the gloves. All right, so we have our egg, and then give me a container.
Don't take credit for my work.
And take our egg. We're just gonna.
I think I put my glove on wrong.
I don't know. And we're just gonna place it in here until we. Actually, you know what? We're gonna place it. Anyway, we're gonna place it to the side.
Oh my lord.
Okay, so that is how we do the Cool Whip eggs.
My lord, mother, your hands look.
Okay, another method we're gonna do is shiny eggs. And I just put a right there on a spoon, and I just.
Why is it turning over?
Directly.
Mom, look, it's like turning over.
Add dye right to the egg. Just kind of, definitely with a gloved hand. Kind of just
it's filled with dye at the bottom.
smear it on. I'll add a little bit more. This one's going to
my
be
lord, it's filled with
a
dye.
red egg
My lord,
on my spoon. It's fine. And then we're going to let these dry, and then I will show you what we're going to do afterwards to these. These are eggs so far. So these are our Cool Whip eggs, and these are the ones that we're just putting some dye on.
Look at my egg. It's so glorious.
It is very glorious. And then I'll show you what we do afterwards. Okay, so now that these are somewhat dry,
Hey, don't touch my glue.
what I do is I take paper towel, put a little bit of oil on it, do this one-handed, and I just kind of roll it in the oil on the paper towel. And that gives us kind of a shiny egg.
It's beautiful.
Jocelyn, yours have to dry a little bit more. So just take just regular, just do a little dab it.
Okay, I'm done.
There we go. Just a little bit of just regular old cooking oil. Jocelyn is still hitting some of them. Oh, you got white spots on that one.
Oh, I can have white.
And we're just going to just sort of shine up these eggs a little bit with a little bit of oil. See, they're a little, those are kind of shiny.
I'm winning, mother.
I'm not really racing with you, child. All right, chill out a little bit with that. Okay, and I'll show you what we do afterwards to the Cool Whip eggs. These have to dry a little bit more before they can add the shine to them.
They smell.
And then we'll show you at the end what everyone looks like. Okay, so now is the moment of truth. We have a whole bowl of eggs that have been thrown through the Cool Whip.
Oh, look, the dye came through the egg curtain.
And then we just take the egg, kind of rinse some of the Cool Whip off. And there's our one egg. Do one more to show you. So this egg is collapsed this Cool Whip. And I just kind of run that right over. It's kind of like a pastel. Let me grab one of Jocelyn's eggs that she overdid in her teal. Might not have stayed on that long, so just very light. There you go. So that is the Cool Whip method for egg dyeing, and then also the way to get shiny eggs. All right. Hope everyone's had a wonderful Easter.
Make sure
Bye-bye.
like, comment, and subscribe too.
What, Jossie?
Make sure like, comment, and subscribe too.
Okay, yes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful, hope you've had a wonderful Easter. Bye-bye.
Happy Easter, everyone.